Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be trying to help somebody on Facebook trying to recreate this font. And nobody seemed to, a couple of names came out of what kind of font it was, and I couldn't find it. So this video may be going to be two-part. I found the one that's close, and I was going to show you how I found it and how cool DA Fonts is. If you haven't used dafont.com, it's cool. And it's just like Corel. You can type in "we are" in capital letters, and there's at least 9 pages of fonts that are just in this block form. There's hundreds and hundreds of fonts. If you go back to just their regular page, there's hundreds, but I was going to show you can type in right here in a pre-window and then submit it, and you can show sizes, number of fonts to be shown, and you could go through, and that's how I found this one right. Well, that's pretty close right there, and I'm going to show you. You can download it. It's free. You can't. A couple of times I've donated to the author, but just because it helped me so much. And I actually think this font right here is going to be better. So I'm going to download it while we're doing the video, and then you just open it. This is how simple and easy it is. There it is right there. Double click on it. Install it. Remember the name of it is Illinois block. It's already done. Go into Corel. I'm going to make a copy of this text and bring it up to the top. And then I'm going to start typing in that text. And there it is. And that's going to be really close to that other font. So I'm going to make a second. It's a little bit different. But if you were just having to type out these 5 letters, these 2 words, the A is different, but the W is different, is what we need, where this W can be fixed, and the A is a little bit different. So if you want to stay tuned to part 2, I'm not saying you would do this for a font, but if you were just doing these words and you could not find the font. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.